It is currently very early in the morning, but we are heading out to Family Mart to go grab some breakfast. It's right next to our hotel, so it's really good. Matcha cream bun that we got, and I have sushi. Good morning, Tokyo! It's our first day here and we are heading to the Asakusa area. First gonna stop by Park, and then we're gonna go to the famous Sensoji temple area. A fortune from here, but it's a bad fortune, so we're gonna tie it onto this thing. We are walking along the streets of Tokyo right now to head toward Akihabara. On the first 7-Eleven here. Now on our way to go explore Ginza. dark, even though it's only like 5 p.m. here, but we are heading out and going to go find dinner. Wow, Shibuya at night right outside our hotel. Good morning! It is currently 5 in the morning because we are still jet lagged and cannot sleep, but we are heading out to go eat some ramen today because Ichiran is apparently 24/7. So let's go eat some breakfast. The famous Ichiran Ramen. So good. Look at this yolk. Oh my gosh. Good morning from Tokyo again. Now it's officially the start of day 2 and we are first heading to the Yogyo Park and the Meiji Shrine to check out some nature things in the morning. We are now heading to the Tsukiji fish outer market and gonna check it out and see what kind of good seafood and street food we can get. After coming back from the market, we are now in Shinjuku and we're going to explore the area and see what's around. back in the hotel and have a food haul from the place. Let's check it out. We have the okonomiyaki, if that's even how you pronounce it, but the egg pancake thing. And then we have the octopus stuffed with like rice, and then we have a little salad, and then here we have some little dessert wheels. So yum! Nothing like a good morning Family Mart run. Good morning, Tokyo! It's another new day, and today I am actually going out solo right now because I am meeting up with my friend to go to Fuji Mountain together, and we're just gonna go walk around, see what it's like, and then come on back and have fun. We finally bought tickets to go to the Fuji Mountain, but we didn't get tickets until 11:15. So we are trying to get to Tokyo Tower right now to take pictures. But we've been walking around the station for like 20 to 30 minutes, and we still haven't found the line to get there. So hopefully we'll get there soon. Okay, there we go. Walked around, but ended up just taking photos back where we started because there was a line at the other place. But photos are complete, and we are grabbing some food now. Fuji finally! You can kind of see it in the background right there in the back, but we're heading to some places to take some photos right now. Now we're on the bus back to Shinjuku.